Shalom! In today's video, I will teach you the vocabulary that will help you while grocery shopping in Hebrew. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. קניות, 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 which means shopping. רשימת קניות, רשימת קניות, רשימת קניות, which means a shopping list. חנות, 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 which means a store. סופרמרקט, סופרמרקט, supermarket, which means a supermarket, just like in English. מכולת, 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 which is how we call a small local food store. עגלה, 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 which means a cart. סלסילה, 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 which means a basket. מוצר, 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 which means a product. מותג, 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 which means a brand. מחיר, 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 which means a price. תאריך תפוגה, תאריך תפוגה, תאריך תפוגה, which means expiration date. קופה, 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 which means a cash register. קופאי, 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 which means a male cashier, or קופאית, 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 which means a female cashier. מעבר, 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 which means an aisle. מחלקה, 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 which means a department. מבצע, 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 which means a sale. הנחה, 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 which means a discount. קופסה, 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 which means a box. תשלום במזומן, תשלום במזומן, תשלום במזומן, which means paying with cash. תשלום בכרטיס אשראי, תשלום בכרטיס אשראי, תשלום בכרטיס אשראי, which means paying with a credit card. כרטיס מועדון, כרטיס מועדון, כרטיס מועדון, which means a membership card. Now, you might want to ask one of the supermarket employees where you can find something. So you will ask, סליחה, איפה אפשר למצוא, and then the name of the product you're looking for. So, סליחה, excuse me, איפה, where, אפשר, it is possible, למצוא, to find, So, סליחה, איפה אפשר למצוא? שימורים, 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 which means canned goods. מוצרי חלב, מוצרי חלב, מוצרי חלב, which means milk products. מוצרי בשר, מוצרי בשר, מוצרי בשר, which means meat products. מאפים, 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 which means baked goods. לחמים, 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 which means breads. מאפייה, 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 which means a bakery. מעדניה, 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 which means a deli. דגני בוקר, דגני בוקר, דגני בוקר, which means cereals. משקאות קלים, משקאות קלים, משקאות קלים, which means soft drinks. משקאות חריפים, משקאות חריפים, משקאות חריפים, which means alcoholic drinks. ירקות, 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 which means vegetables. פירות, 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 which means fruits. טרי, 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 which means fresh. אורגני, 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 which means organic. בשל, 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 which means ripe. קפוא, 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 which means frozen. Thank you for joining me on today's video. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe so you'll be the first to know when I release more videos. Also, you're welcome to join our Facebook community. For now, thank you for watching. תודה שצפיתם. ולהתראות בסרטון הבא. See you in our next video.